wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best mechanical keyboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Though expensive, the Leopold FC750R offers a durable and high-quality construction. It's available with your choice of 7 types of mechanism, and its muted design is ideal for those who aren't looking for anything too flashy. It comes with an 87 key configuration and OEM profile keycaps. However, it's not backlit. At number 9, sold with linear, clicky or tactile and quiet mechanisms, the HyperX Alloy Elite is a stylish RGB model with a detachable soft-touch wrist rest to keep gamers comfortable during intense matches. Its software suite lets you program up to 3 customization profiles. It includes dedicated media controls and a full numeric keypad, but it is relatively bulky. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the MotoSpeed 87 key is offered in a variety of styles with different lighting configurations as well as wired and wireless options. It has arrow and page navigation keys, but no numeric keypad, which saves desk space and can help with ergonomics. It's available in black or pink and is an inexpensive entry-level choice. However, it tends to rattle slightly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mechanical keyboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the latest and most advanced firmware installed on the Massdrop control makes in-depth customization straightforward and easy. It can be ordered with hardware from Cherry and Kaiwa, or less common Halo keys that are either linear or provide strong tactile feedback. It's compatible with the QMK configurator and features programmable RGB lighting, but it is extremely expensive. Moving up our list to number 6. In addition to a sleek overall design and 3 switch options, the Razer BlackWidow Elite is better made than many others, with consistent travel distances, reliable components, and no rattling or side-to-side shaking of individual keys. It offers an actuation force of 45 grams and syncs with many popular games. However, note that it's only fully compatible with Windows. Halfway up our list at number 5. With Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz and USB connectivity, as well as support for almost any operating system, the Logitech G613 Lightspeed would make a good addition to any PC, tablet or phone. It runs on 2 AA batteries that should last for over a year of regular use. It boasts a report rate of 1 millisecond, 6 dedicated macro keys, and a tactile and quiet actuation. At number 4, a significant departure from traditional designs. The 2 halves of the Kinesis Freestyle Edge are joined by a 20-inch tether, so they can be placed at just the right angle to prevent wrist and elbow discomfort and possible injury over long periods of time. It comes with per-key RGB backlighting, and there are 4 switch type options. It can be completely remapped too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Designed especially for minimalists, the Ducky One 2 Mini is just 60% as large as a full-size model with a particularly slim bezel, so it's perfect for reducing clutter on your desk. It's available in clicky as well as linear versions. It features a detachable USB-C cable, 10 RGB lighting modes, and 3 placement angles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mechanical keyboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Ann Pro 2 is a popular model available with Gatorun, Cherry, and Kale switches in either black or white. It connects using a USB-C connector or Bluetooth 4.0 and suffers from surprisingly little latency for a wireless model. Its battery lasts for 8 hours of use, and it supports most operating systems. It comes with individually assignable backlights. And taking the top spot on our list, a low-profile body with minimal wasted space makes the SteelSeries Apex relatively compact, whether you choose the full-size or 10-keyless version. It uses proprietary switches that can be adjusted to offer from 0.4 to 3.6 millimeters of travel. It boasts an aircraft-grade aluminum frame, an OLED information display, and a magnetic wrist rest. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mechanical keyboards, or simply click beneath this video.